Would you be able to make more sales online if you could get as much free traffic as you wanted with a few clicks of your mouse? Of course you would. In fact, the big reason why most people fail online is because they just don't have enough high-quality traffic. And without traffic, you're sunk. Unfortunately, most paid traffic methods are expensive or don't convert. And most free traffic methods take forever to start working and require countless hours to get set up. Hi there, Art Flair here with Alex Krulik and Declan Mack. And we know what it's like to struggle to get the traffic you need. Getting quality traffic has been an almost never-ending quest for us too. And we know that our income is a direct reflection of the amount and quality of traffic that we are able to get. Finding new methods to get quality traffic without breaking the bank has become so important that we all got together to brainstorm some new traffic methods. We talked and bounced ideas off each other, but we just kept coming up dry with the same old worn-out methods. Then Alex brought up something he'd been doing to get some solid traffic by using simple little videos. Just to be clear, these weren't complicated videos he was using. Just really basic videos that anyone can make in a few minutes. The magic of his traffic system was finding popular, long-tail keywords with no more than one competing video in the search results and somewhere between 50 and 1,000 searches per month. After uploading the videos, he'd get high-converting traffic, pointed to related affiliate offers, and make sales quickly. He made thousands of dollars this way, and it's a pretty much set-and-forget formula. And although it sounds great on the surface, there was a big problem. Finding low competition, winning keywords manually was really time-consuming. In fact, it took Alex several hours of work just to find a few of these keywords. As we are about to dismiss this as yet another too complicated method for getting free traffic, I had an idea. What if we created a software that did all of the heavy lifting required with this proven traffic method? Luckily, Alex is an expert in the world of software creation, and he said, yep, this can be done. We got to work, and within a few weeks, we were ready to start testing our new traffic getting software. Within a few minutes of firing up the software for the first time, we had over 50 keywords with little to no competition that were getting searches. Many of these keywords we would have never discovered doing this manually, and they were all ripe for the picking. We quickly uploaded a few very simple and pretty ugly videos that took us just a few minutes to make. And within 20 minutes, bam! We made our first sale. And it was the first of many more sales. The traffic and sales kept coming in, and we knew that we had a big winner here. After testing this with some stone-cold newbies and seeing them get the same results over and over again, we decided to make this powerful software available to the public. Introducing Traffic Xtractor Ultimate. This software will help you quickly find profitable keywords that have little to no competition that you can rank for fast and get traffic flowing within minutes. When you use Traffic Xtractor, you'll save countless hours when you compare this to manually getting winning keywords on your own. And you'll be able to find multiple keywords at once with the click of your mouse, so you can start getting free traffic and sales as soon as today. This software works great for affiliate marketers looking for more high-converting traffic, product owners, e-com site owners, service providers, and even offline business owners can use this to get tons of high-quality traffic to their sites and offers. And we don't just give you the software, send you on your way, and hope you can figure it all out. We're including over-the-shoulder video training that makes it easy to get started right away and start getting results with the Traffic Xtractor software quickly. Inside the step-by-step video training, you'll discover how to get the best results possible from the software in a matter of minutes, even if you're a total newbie and have zero tech skills. The simple hack we use to crank out videos in less than 5 minutes. With these simple little videos, you don't even have to show your face if you don't want to. The little known trick we use to put our videos on steroids and get even more traffic, and almost everyone gets this wrong. How to start making sales as quickly as possible with our battle-tested method for getting fast results. This will have you making sales in hours when you do this the right way. How to quickly scale things up to a job-destroying level where you don't have to rely on your 9-to-5 job. The simple trick to automating almost all of this and working just a few minutes per day, you'll be able to see more results while working less. Plus a whole lot more. Of course, the best part about getting your hands on Traffic Xtractor today is the price. Although we spent thousands of dollars developing this powerful, almost instant traffic software, you'll be able to look in a massive discount when you get Traffic Xtractor today. When you click on the button below, you'll get instant access to the Traffic Xtractor software and step-by-step video training. And to make this a total no-brainer, you'll also get all of the exclusive bonuses, including additional training, cheat sheets, and a Facebook mastermind where you can ask us questions directly. If you are tired of struggling to get traffic and you like the idea of getting as much free traffic as you want with just a few clicks of your mouse, this is for you. To make it really easy to get your hands on Traffic Xtractor right now, there's no risk for a full 30 days. That means you can try this simple software out, get some traffic, make some sales, and then decide if this is for you. If for any reason you're not in love with all the free traffic you're getting with Traffic Xtractor, just let us know and we'll send you a refund. The only way you can lose here is if you miss out on this powerful software and training. So click the button below now to lock in your discount and get instant access to Traffic Xtractor.